Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Afika and my teammate is Faris, and our task is about sinusoid to Phasor Mathematical Transformation via technical explanation. First, what is Phasor? Phasor is simply a shorthand way of representing a signal that is sinusoidal in time. It may seem difficult at first, and it makes the mathematics involved in the analysis of system with sinusoidal input much simple. To start, we take a sinusoidal signal in time defined by magnitude, phase and frequency. Why use Phasor? A Phasor diagram can be used to represent two or more stationary sinusoidal quantities at any instant in time. There can be either voltage, current or some alternating quantity, but frequency of all of them must be same. All Phasor are drawn by rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Next, sinusoid is a signal that has the form of sine or cosine function. Sinusoidal current is called alternating current.
Sinusoidal voltage is considered to Vt equal to Vm sin omega t. Vm refer to the amplitude of the sinusoid. Omega is the angular frequency in radian per second. Omega t is the argument of sinusoid. Frequency can define by 1 over t. Frequency must in hertz and omega must in radian per second. Omega can be found with 2 pi times frequency. To transform a sinusoid to a Phasor domain is Vt equal to Vm cos omega t plus Phasor. To Phasor domain is V equal to Vm less than a Phasor. Okay, we go through to the question. There are in a circuit have a one resistance R equal to 10 ohm, inductance equal to 0.2 Henry, and a capacitance 0.2 microfarad. This question want the frequency of a resonant a 10 volts sinusoidal voltage and the frequency of resonance is applied across the circuit. This question also want the Phasor diagram showing the value of each Phasor. So to define this solution is we find the frequency first. We use 1 over 2 pi square root of LC. After we find a frequency, we have to find the voltage. So we use V equal to IR. We use Ohm's law. To draw a Phasor diagram, we must have a current value, VL, VC and VR value. So we can use Ohm's law. That means I equal to VR, and we just move the resistance and current value to find the VR, VL and VC, and we can make a Phasor diagram. So the second question is the question asks to find omega L. So omega L can be found with the frequency that we mentioned in the question. After we get the 1 over omega C and the omega L value, we can find I. The formula is I equal to V over R plus J multiplied by omega L minus 1 omega C. And then we can find the magnitude or value of the current and the phase angle. We can find VR, VC, VL, and lastly we can draw a phase diagram. That's it. Thank you.